Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to electronically sign a PDF document. So I have this particular document here that I have created using Canva, and we're going to sign this one. So we're going to head over to Google, and here in Google, I'm just going to go ahead and type here Adobe Sign PDF, and you should see this option right here, Sign PDFs with a free PDF form filler. Go ahead and open it, and you need an account for this one, by the way. You can just go ahead and hit the sign in button right here, continue with Google, and then just use your Google account. So in my case, that is what exactly I am going to do. And yep, with just a few clicks, we are now in. So we're going to go ahead again and use the Adobe Acrobat Web. All right, and now that we are in, we're going to go ahead and proceed. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload file, click the contract that we have created. Let's go ahead and wait for this one to be done. All right, there you go. It's done loading. Let's head over to the part that we need to sign. So this one right here. If you're going to click these tools right here, you actually have different options. So for this one, you can go ahead and add a text. Now, if you want to add a signature, head over to this one right here. And then you're going to go ahead and basically just add your signature. If you don't have yet, you can head over back here and then click add initials, click draw, and then you can go ahead and basically write something. Now click the save button, put it here, and basically that's just how simple it is. You want to make it larger, you can go ahead and click this one, and then smaller this one. So go ahead and add it there, just like so. For the color of this one, by the way, since this was an initial, you can see that it's kind of like blurry or kind of like opaque. You can go ahead and switch this one to signature, just like so. Yep, that is my signature that I have already added it. So once you're done adding the signature, go ahead and click this one, click download this file, and then you should see this option right here. Hit a download, and then go ahead and type or name this one signed contract or whatever. Now, if you're going to open it once again, you should be able to see the signature that you have added. And that, everybody, is how you're going to electronically sign a PDF document.